Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar, Love Languages in Estate Planning. I'm Angela Hsiao, and I'm thrilled to be joined by my esteemed colleague, Muky. As February unfolds, we're immersed in the season of love. But today, we'll delve into a profound expression of love that transcends the traditional gestures of flowers and chocolates. We are talking about enduring love that motivates us to protect and provide for our families, ensuring their well-being no matter what the future holds. This is the heart of estate planning. Isn't that right, Muki?
Absolutely, Angela. So love isn't just a sentiment, it's a verb. It's reflected in our actions and the thoughtful choices that we make to safeguard the happiness and security of those that we cherish. And what could be more powerful demonstration of love than taking that initiative to plan for the future, ensuring that your family is cared for and protected no matter what life throws our way. So that's why estate planning is all about. It's the ultimate love letter to your family, a testament to your unwavering commitment to their well being.
Beautifully said, Muki. Estate planning isn't simply about legal documents. It's about crafting a legacy of love, clarity, and peace of mind for the people you hold most dear. It's about giving them the gift of security during a time when they'll need it most. It's about minimizing potential conflicts and providing clear guidance when emotions are running high. In essence, it's a profound act of love. And it intertwines beautifully with the concept of five love languages: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. We'll explore how each of these languages connects with the practical aspect of estate planning, showing you how to express your love through careful preparation or foresight.
Before we dive into the fascinating world of love languages, let's establish a solid understanding of the fundamental principles of estate planning for those who may be new to this concept. So, we want everyone to leave today not only with deeper appreciation of the five love languages, but also with a clear understanding of why estate planning is absolutely essential for everyone, regardless of their financial circumstances.
So, understanding the basic of estate planning.
So, what exactly is estate planning? At its core, is the process of making legal and financial arrangements for what happens to your assets, your family, and even your healthcare decisions in the event of incapacity or death. So it empowers you to take control of your legacy, ensuring that your wishes are respected and your loved ones are cared for, rather than leaving these crucial decisions to chance or to state of California.
Precisely, Muki. And a common misconception is that estate planning is only relevant for the wealthy. This couldn't be further from the truth. Whether you have a vast estate or a modest collection of cherished possessions, estate planning is about ensuring your loved ones are protected and your wishes are honored. It's about mitigating potential financial and legal burdens during an already emotionally challenging time. It's about providing clarity and reducing stress for your family when they need it the most.
Exactly. So let's break down the key components of a well-rounded estate plan. These typically include pour-over will. So pour-over will act as a crucial supplement to a trust-based estate plan. While your primary estate planning vehicle is the trust, the pour-over will ensures that any assets
Inadvertently left.
never say this word. All right, so accidentally left out of the trust at the time of your passing are poured over into the trust again. So this ensures consistent management and distribution of all your assets according to the trust instructions. It also allows you to name guardians for minor children, which is very vital provision even with the trust in place.
So, and then trusts. Trust is a versatile tool that can help manage assets to avoid probate, the often lengthy and costly legal process of validating a will, and ensure a smoother transition for your family. Trust can offer great flexibility and control that the will cannot alone, and they can be particularly useful for complex estates or specific needs.
Mhm. And then there's the power of attorney, which also a crucial document that designates someone you trust to handle your financial affairs if you become incapacitated or are unable to make those decisions for yourself. This can prevent significant disruptions and ensure your bills are paid, your investments are managed, and your financial obligations are met.
And the healthcare directive or the living will. So this document specifically states your medical preferences. If you become unable to communicate them yourself, it allows you to express your wishes regarding life support, medical treatments, and other critical healthcare decisions, relieving your family of the burden of making these difficult choices during a time of crisis.
Mhm. And then there's guardianship for minor children, perhaps one of the most important aspects for parents. This designates who you want to care for your children if something happens to you. It's a way for you to express your love and ensures that your children are raised by someone you trust and admire, someone who shares your value and will provide a loving and supportive environment just as if you were there.
Mhm. So, we'll be weaving these essential components into our discussion of 5 love languages, demonstrating how each aspect of estate planning can be viewed as an expression of love and care, which is central to our law firm. We have the mission of care. So don't worry if this seems like a lot all at once. We'll break it down step by step, making it easy to understand and apply it in your own situations. So, love language 1, words of affirmation.
Words of affirmation. So it's all about expressing love and care through communication. And in the context of estate planning, this translates to being crystal clear about your wishes and intentions. So imagine the peace of mind you give your loved ones by clearly articulating your desires in your will or trust. If something unexpected were to happen, your family would naturally experience a whole range of emotions, including grief and perhaps confusion. But if you've already documented your wishes, you've essentially left behind a powerful message that says, I love you and this is how I want to care for you, even when I'm not here. And within your trust document, you have a unique opportunity to express these sentiments even more personally. Many trusts include this statement of intent clause or a similar provision. This is where you can go beyond the legal mechanics and actually articulate the why behind the decisions. And this is where you can express your love for your family, share that cherished moments, memories, offer words of wisdom, and explain the value that guided your estate planning choices. So this statement becomes a deeply personal message, a final expression of your love and a source of comfort for your loved ones during a very difficult time. It's also a way to offer words of affirmation that will resonate long after you're gone.
Yes, exactly, Muky. It's like writing a love letter to your family, filled with instructions that not only protect them from potential legal battles and financial uncertainty, but also offer them comfort and reassurance during a difficult time. This clarity itself is a powerful form of affirmation, demonstrating love, respect, and considerations for everyone involved. Saying, I've thought deeply about what's best for you, and I trust you to carry out these wishes with love and understanding.
Mm-hmm. So we would like to ask if anybody here, you can type in the chat if you want, what is that most meaningful message if you've ever received from a loved one? Like, how did it make you feel? Was it something they said or something that, what kind of expression, bless you, what kind of expression is it? You can share with us in the chat. We'll see how it relates.
Like saying bless you. But yes, what's the most meaningful love message that you received? Share with us.
Mm-hmm.
Section 3 is acts of service. So now acts of service are all about demonstrating love by doing something thoughtful for someone else, like preparing a meal, running an errand, or helping with chores. In the realm of estate planning, it's about taking care of the difficult decisions now, so your family doesn't have to do them later during a time of grief and emotional vulnerability.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. So, a powerful example of this is establishing both a general durable power of attorney and a healthcare directive. So, it's sometimes called a medical power of attorney. So, a general durable power of attorney allows you to designate someone you trust to manage your finances if you become incapacitated. So, think about it. If you are suddenly unable to pay bills, manage your investments, or handle other financial matters, this document ensures that someone could step in seamlessly and take care of that for you. It's an enormous act of service, right? Preventing potential financial chaos during the already stressful time. Similarly, for a healthcare directive or a medical power of attorney, it addresses your healthcare wishes. So, discussing end of life care and other medical decisions can be incredibly difficult. But it's an incredibly important act of service at the same time. You handle this decision making and not leaving it up to them. So, you make these decisions now and documenting them clearly. You spared your family from having to grapple with all these difficult choices during a time of crisis. That's a profound act of love and consideration, relieving them of an immense emotional burden.
Yes. So we want you to share with us again. Can you think of a time when someone did something for you that made your life easier? What's that act? Share in the chat. We'll love to know. How did that act or service made you feel? Did it make you feel loved and cared for? And then we're going to go on to talk about receiving gifts.
Okay. While estate planning certainly involves the transfer of assets, it's about how much more than just financial gifts. It's about the thoughtful and meaningful transfer of what truly matters to you, whether it's monetary or sentimental. So it could be setting up a college fund for your grandchild, ensuring your spouse can maintain the family home, or passing down cherished family heirloom that hold deep emotional significance.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. It's about preserving memories and tradition, ensuring that the things you value most are passed down to the people you love. It's about creating a legacy that reflects your values and the things you hold dear. It's about giving your loved ones something tangible to remember you by, something that embodies the love and connection you shared.
Mhm.
Next, quality time. This might seem less obvious in the context of estate planning, but by planning now, you're actually giving your family the invaluable gift of time. Time to focus on healing, cherishing memories, and supporting each other rather than being consumed by legal complexities and administrative burdens. You're giving them the time to grieve and celebrate your life rather than being bogged down by logistics, challenges, and potential family disputes.
That's a great point, Angela. So, estate planning is about minimizing stress and potential conflicts, allowing your family to focus on what truly matters, each other. So, it's about providing them with the gift of quality time together during a period when they will need it most.
So, and then lastly, but not least, physical touch.
Physical touch. Well, physical touch often brings to mind tangible objects. In the context of estate planning, it's more powerfully connected to the tangible act of caring for your loved ones, especially children. So it's the physical presence, the nurturing touch, the constant care that a parent provides.
And your estate plan allows you to ensure that loving care continues, even if you're not there. By choosing guardians for your children, you're providing for their emotional and physical well being in the most fundamental way.
Mhm.
It's a final act of love, ensuring that their future is filled with the same love and support you've always given them. And since we're talking about trust, you could be very specific and say, my kid needs 5 hugs a day. You can even put that in your trust. So, something to think about. Okay, so addressing common concerns and misconceptions. Let's tackle some common myths. First, estate planning isn't just for the wealthy. I know we've talked about it over and over again. That is the biggest misconception we face. It's for anyone who wants loved ones protected and their wishes followed, no matter their net worth.
Mhm. And it's not just about death, it's also about planning for your life, like who manages your finances or medical care if you're unable to do so. That's during your lifetime, you're not past yet, right? So peace of mind starts today.
Yes, it's natural to feel uneasy discussing mortality, but planning is an act of love, and it's about easing that burden for those who you care about.
Hmm.
And then now we're moving on to an important of regular reviews and updates.
Life changes, marriages, divorces, new children, moving places, moving across states or across country even. It means that your plan should too. So a quick review every 2 to 3 years ensures that it stays aligned with your life.
Yes, think of it like updating a will when a grandchild is born. Small tweaks protect your family's future, showing love lasts beyond today.
Exactly. So major life events should prompt a review of your estate plan. And it's also important to update your plan if you experience significant changes in your financial situation or if you move to a different state.
Yes, because love isn't static. It's something we nurture and protect, just as you would protect your loved ones from any other way. Review your estate plan is an act of love, ensuring that their future security and well-being.
Mhm.
So, and then working with professionals.
While some aspects of estate planning can be handled independently, it's often beneficial to work with qualified professionals, so such as estate planning attorneys, financial advisors, and tax specialists. So these professionals can provide valuable guidance and ensure that your plan is comprehensive and legally sound, and especially when all these three different professionals align together to work for you.
Yeah, we want everything to sync up and align. So the alignment is important. And an experienced estate planning attorney can help you draft the necessary legal documents, such as wills, trusts, and power of attorney. A financial advisor can help you manage your assets and develop long-term financial plan. And a tax specialist can help you minimize your tax liability and maximize the benefit of your estate plan.
Mhm. So very important that they all work together. And we understand that estate planning can be sensitive and personal matter. That's why we're committed to providing our clients with compassionate, personalized guidance every step of the way. We believe in building strong relationships based on trust, respect, and open communication.
And that's what true love is. We're here to answer your questions, address your concerns, and help you create an estate plan that reflects your unique views, needs, and values. We're dedicated to empowering you to make informed decisions and providing you with the peace of mind that comes from knowing your loved ones are protected. And here we have a special announcement. Before we wrap up, we have a very special announcement. As we mentioned at the beginning of February, we have a special offer to you as part of our month of love celebration. Because estate planning is such a loving act, Muky and I are excited to work with 14 special families to create their estate plan and to show that ultimate act of love and that one that woven all those different languages love together.
By now, we actually only have limited spaces left, not 14 anymore,
Yeah.
because we are toward the end of the month. So, but we
Luckily,
are offering,
still a little bit. You could get it.
We are offering really personalized estate planning tailored to your unique needs. And this is your chance to create a plan that truly reflects your wishes and provide that maximum protection for your loved ones. And you'll receive exclusive VIP access to both of us. Ensuring that you have clear guidance every step of the way and stress-free, actionable process that get you all set.
And once again, though, with a caveat, this exclusive offer is only limited to 14 families because our times are limited and we really want you to feel that love. So we want to provide each family with individualized attention and support they deserve. If you're ready to take this important step for your loved ones, we encourage you to schedule a consultation with us today. We'll drop a link in the chat or scan the QR code yourself on the screen right now, and you can easily book a time to connect. In conclusion, as we celebrate this February, we encourage you to think about estate planning as one of the deepest expression of love you can offer your family. It's a gift that will provide them with security, comfort, and peace of mind for years to come.
Remember, showing love isn't just about grand gestures. Sometimes it's about the quiet act of planning and preparation, the thoughtful steps that you take to ensure that your family is protected and cared for, no matter what the future holds. So it's about leaving a legacy of love, not just possessions.
Yes. and we're here to help you write that love story for your family's future. If you have any questions or want to get started, please don't hesitate to reach out. Estate planning is one of the most meaningful ways to show your family just how much you care. Thank you so much for joining us. Happy month of love. We hope to see you soon.
Yep.
Take care.